Good afternoon. It is February 8th, 2024, and today, a range day. I'm pretty sure this is the smallest range in a while. I think today it was like, 16 and a half points. Maybe that new high. Yeah, that new high really, is what made that, because, 350. Yeah, so, I still believe that at 16 and a half points, it's the smallest bar we've seen in a very long time. I think this one was 17 and a half. No, this one's 16 and a half too. So 16 and a half, 16 and a tick. So 16 and a quarter. So it is the smallest one in quite a while. Let's see. Okay, so this one, December 28th, but that's end of the year. So, I mean, this is, you know, probably a big move up or down is coming. But, that's only speculation. So I didn't mark any trades, but I was watching the chart all day, and it's very hard to trade max system on a day like today. If you're an expert, for sure. But I think the best way to do it is just limit orders, or just buy the market when it's super low and sell the market when it's super high. Like a bar, well, we'll go through it. So anyway, I think 5 o'clock comes, in this congestion, so you can't take any of that. And you see when you draw the lows here and the highs here, we got to touch on the midline back there, right at 11 ticks. So this is not a great entry because it is right in the middle of the range. However, it looks like a breakout pullback. That's a pretty nice breakout of this range. We'll make this a different color. Yeah, and it's a breakout pullback. Good signal bar. Maybe you take that one. You get a higher low right here. So, definitely I wouldn't take this. That's a doji after a doji, and this was a doji, and this was a doji. So that makes this one even more aggressive. But it's, something to consider. And this is, you can see this is a channel. So this one also, you could take that. The second entry triggers above this bar, but this is clearly a two-legged pullback off the trend channel. And you can see everyone took their profits right there. And then we're just chopping upward. And you get a double test here. So, I mean, I'll mark this one, double test. But what I'm going to say is I think it is much better to just sell the market when it comes up here. And even with that, I don't know if I would. Yeah, maybe I would once this bar closes. But yeah, when it closes all the way down here, I'd be a little hesitant. This one looks pretty good. If you're anticipating it going to the lows of the day, that's a second entry short. That looks pretty good. And then quick little rally comes in, but you can see doji, 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 stem on this one, doji, doji. So, probably not a big move. This one's reasonable to just sell the market up here again. It sells off. Come down here. Now, we've been bouncing down here, so maybe you buy the market down here. Come back. We're just flip-flopping. I think, people were just waiting for this 10 a.m. news item, and it shoots up. And this one, honestly, I like that one. Second entry short, right at the highs. This one is like a hidden Second entry is really like a, I mean, yeah, you could look at this as a double bottom, first entry, second entry. Maybe you buy this one right here, because we are making higher lows, but that's a little too risky for me. You're just right in the middle of the range. I think you're. I'm about to take that off because it's too risky in my opinion. Come up here, sell off, and then we get this quick burst at the end. I thought we were going to hit the measured move from the midline, but we didn't, and it turns out to be just a range day, a little doji. So that's how I saw it today. Um, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Yeah. So hope everyone had a good day. I'll be back tomorrow.